So in this video, I'm gonna go over the simple process of starting and igniting your Dyna-Glo Kerosene heater. And this is part of a series. I've reviewed, what fuel, how to fill the tank. But in this one, we're gonna go ahead and start this bad boy. So literally all you have to do is turn this knob and then hold this switch. And it starts. I'm going to open this so you can see. And it's already going just like that. And then once it's started, you can lower it to your liking. And let me see if you can see the flame in there. But it is going. It's literally that simple. And when you're ready to turn it off, all you do is push that button, hold it for a little bit until it goes out. I have noticed sometimes it'll want to stay lit a little bit, so you want to hold that down, and that holds the wick like as low as it can go until it puts itself out. And that's how you turn it off. So start it, you raise the wick, pull that and hold it, and then turn it off, press that. It's literally like the simplest setup you can have on a heater. So let me know if you have any questions on this. I've had this for about a year. I use it in my garage. It works great. And I'll answer comments below. Have a good day. Peace.